In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to register for Alliance Bank online banking. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and type in Alliance Bank Register Online. With our different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, allianceonline.com.my. First time registration. You'll be directed to this page. Here you'll see three different options to register using your debit or credit card, temporary ID and DPIN, or registering your mobile number first if it's not linked to your account. If you already have an Alliance Bank debit or credit card, just select that option, scan the QR code using your Alliance Bank mobile app, and then enter your ATM card details to continue. If you are registering with a temporary ID, enter the temporary ID and DPIN. Make sure your phone number is already registered with the bank. If your phone number is not registered yet, you'll find a separate link to do that. Tap on it, fill in your details, and submit the form to register your number. Once your number is authenticated, you'll be prompted to create a username and password. Complete the verification and your account will be ready to use. And that's it. You have successfully registered for Alliance Bank online banking. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.